Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Jasmy. So Jasmy right now is trading at 0.01686. In the last 24 hours, we're up 3%. And then in the last 24 hours, in terms of volume, we're down 17%. So it's not as big of a blow, but quickly taking a look at the chart, typically I do a daily or immediate short term for 4 hours. This just makes it a little bit cleaner if we do go back to a weekly time frame. And if week after week here, we've been struggling to find immediate support for Jasmy and any type of recovery. Now, this is going to be a critical area. And I always say critical level in terms of Jasmy because we are looking at the immediate 4 hours to the daily time frame, but I almost feel like this is the make it or break it here for Jasmy because week after week we can see that 0.0154 is a tested area of support. And when I mean tested, it's been really tested and we found really good support around this area dating back of February 26th of last year. So almost a year rotation. We've seen a lot of spikes. It's been a wild ride here for Jasmy. And now we are retesting again this accumulation phase here. If Jasmy is able to hold up at 0.015, again, a known historical area of support, then we may be able to see some type of recovery in the horizon. If we quickly take a look at this candlestick pattern, we are seeing and getting hit heavy hard in terms of the bears itself. Now, these three candlesticks, as we are seeing, again, smaller candlesticks with smaller bodies, it does show a lot of indecision in the marketplaces between the bulls and the bears. However, getting hit hard in this week so far with this red big candlestick, it does show us the market sentiment and retesting this area of support. By the end of this week here, if we're able to get, a bullish reversal candlestick, like a hammer candlestick where the body is mainly at the very top here, and we see this wick that's twice the size of the body, then possibly we could see a reversal in the horizon. But right now, it's way too early for us to kind of analyze that on the weekly time frame. But again, we know that if Jasmy were to break this area of support at 0.015 and close below it, it's just going to seem like more of a deeper, I don't want to say correction. I was going to lead to correction, but it's not a correction, but more into the lower numbers here for Jasmy. Now, quickly taking a look on the daily time frame itself, we may be able to relieve a little bit depending on market sentiment and if we're able to get some buyers in here. I want to say optimistically up here with our 20 moving average at 0.01989. Let's say that the volume spikes up. There's a lot of market interest here for Jasmy. This is going to be our bullish number. We again may be rejected from this as we saw time after time. The 20 moving average is being a immediate resistance line. So if we do spike up to this level, just be cautious if you're looking into Jasmy around it, as people taking long positions are going to sell at this top. Again, when it comes to the MACD indicator and seeing that momentum, really momentum is still favoring over to the bears on the daily time frame. As we can see, our indicator lines are well below the zero. We may be heading to the oversold at 32% of our RSI, but keep in mind here, before we see any type of recovery or a pullback towards the upside for Jasmy, the RSI needs to be well below our 20%. A lot of altcoins and a lot of other coins here do react very well when the RSI reaches around the 30 phases, but that's not the case in terms of Jasmy. So targets here for us to watch out for is the possibility of a hammer candlestick formulating on the weekly time frame, a possible retest of our 20 moving average if we do see some bullish sentiment around that 2 cents marker. And if we do see a rejection below our supporting critical area of 0.0154, we may see the next area roughly closer to 0.01210. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. So we may be possibly going back into that accumulation phase for Jasmy before we see any immediate bullish sentiment. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.